The Max fan in our rig must have gotten wet when I washed the roof. No warning, no smoke, just dead. I had to run down to Camping World because we were hitting the road the next morning, where the helpful genius behind the counter immediately tried to sell me the full replacement kit, butyl tape, lap sealant, maybe even a priest to bless the roof. Spoiler alert, I didn't need any of it. This job was so simple, it almost felt wrong. Here's the reality. Inside 4 screws, outside 4 screws. That's it. 8 screws total. No scraping, no caulk gun, no crying into your cream soda. All you really need is a screw gun or a screwdriver if you're in a CrossFit. I slid the new fan in, lined up the holes, and put the same screws right back where they came from. It was so easy, I did the whole job in flip-flops at the campground. OSHA would be so proud. All right, so it took 5 minutes to put the 4 screws, swap. This is the new fan right here. I'm gonna hook the wires up. My coach came with quick connect, so just pop it in there like that. There it is, we're hooked up. And I stick the, and I'm gonna send this out to the And just like that, we're back in business. A working Max fan without spending extra money on stuff I didn't need. Shocking, I know. So next time yours quits, don't overthink it. Sometimes the fix really is as easy as it looks. As always, thanks for watching and be good to each other.